Hello everyone. This week's focus is the Chinese stock market, with China A50 index in focus, trading near its highest level since 2024. Now, this week's meeting between Trump and Xi Jinping could determine whether it holds or extends further. Now, let's check the technicals. On the monthly chart, the picture is striking. The 15,900 zone has been a hard ceiling since 2015. It supported a move higher through the first half of 2021's bull run, but ultimately rejected there and was rejected again through 2024. Price just broke above it and is holding for now. That's a decade-long resistance giving way. This rally has multiple pillars. China has been running active domestic stimulus, both monetary and fiscal, and Chinese equities were deeply undervalued coming into this year, trading at roughly 14 to 15 times earnings against 30 times for the US markets. Even foreign capital has been quietly rotating back in. The move isn't speculative, it has fundamental support underneath it. Now, if we zoom into the 4-hour chart, the structure is a clean rising channel since early April. Price is respecting both boundaries, but RSI is pushing towards 70. Not overbought yet, but stretched. So a pullback before continuation is a very likely scenario. The level to watch is the lower channel boundary around 15,600. That's where bulls need to show up. Now, the main event is Trump-Xi meeting. Markets want signals on extended last autumn's trade agreement. Trump pushing for larger Chinese purchase of soybeans, gas, even Boeing aircraft. China pushing back on semiconductor restrictions. Constructive tone can keep this move alive, with 2021 levels coming into view. A breakdown reversed this fast, and oil is part of the same conversation. China stockpiled crude at scale through 2025, and how it plays that reserve buffer feeds directly into what gets negotiated today. Structure is bullish, fundamentals are supportive, but with RSI extended and a high stakes meeting live, 15,600 is the level worth watching for.